Hello, good morning students. Welcome to our YouTube channel Nath Online Classes. Today once again I am Vidyasagar is going to represent before class 6 to discuss subject math with all of you. So please like the channel, share and subscribe it. Today I am going to explain about the properties of factors and different types of numbers such as prime number, even number, odd number, composite number and prime number. So let us concentrate on this video and try to understand my explanations. Let us start here. Properties of factor. As you know, what is the factor of a number? I have discussed about it in previous classes. Today here there are some properties written by me. Please try to understand. One is factor of every numbers. This is the main properties of factor. When you write factor of any number, then you will observe that one is the factor of every numbers. No any numbers is that types which have no factor as 1. So 1 is the factor of any number, and every non-zero number is a factor of itself. If any non-zero number you take as an example, you will find that there is a factor of that number itself. As for example, 3 is a non-zero number which has a factor as 3, which is itself. And every factor is either less than or equal to itself. Every factor is either less than or equal to itself. Any factor of a given number either less than or it will be equal to the given number. As for example, 4. Take an example, factors of 4. Factors of 4. 1, 2, 4. Here 1 is less than 4, 2 is less than 4 and 4 is equal to 4. But no any factor that would be greater than factors of 4, never greater than 4. Okay, so try to understand these things. And a number has countable number of factors. Any numbers has countable number of factors. As for example, factor of 212, as I have written here, 1, 2, 4 and 53, 106 and 212. These are the factors, but the numbers of factor is countable. Here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. So we can say that there is no more than 6 factors for 212. Like multiples, it has not uncountable number of factors. Understood? So these are the properties of factors. Now let us come to know some different types of number is used in mathematics. One is perfect number. How we can able to understand a perfect number? Please, you should remember one thing about it, that sum of all its factors. If you have to check the perfect, if you have to check the given number is perfect number or not, then you have to write its factor and you have to add all the given factors. After getting the results of additions, you have to check the sum of all factors is equal to 2 into given number. If it happens so, then we can say that the given number is a perfect number. Okay. As for example, 4. Here the sum of all factors all factors of 4 is equal to 1 plus 2 plus 4, that is equal to 7. 7 and 2 into 4 is equal to 8. Since 7 is not equal to 8, this indicates 4 is not a perfect number. Okay, so please try to understand it. The example of perfect number is 6 and 12. The factor of 6 is 1, 3 and 6, 1, 2, 3 and 6. So 1 plus 2 plus 3 plus 6 is equal to 12, and 6 into 2 is equal to 12 also. That's why we can say that the 6 is a perfect number. Now even number and odd number, very simple things. The number which is divisible by 2 is called as even number. As I have written here, the number which is divisible by 2. If the number is divisible by 2, then it is called as even number. For example, 2, 4, 6, etc. And odd number, for example, 3, 5, 9 and so on. These are the odd number because it is not divisible by 2. Another number is prime numbers. Prime numbers having only 2 factors. The number can be divisible only by 1 and itself. It's called as prime number. For example, 2. 2 is divisible only by 1 and 2. And 3 is also divisible only by 1 and 2. That's why we can say that 2, 3, 5 such types of numbers are prime number. Now composite number. What is composite number? Except prime numbers, all numbers are composite. Because hence we can say that all the numbers that has more than 3 factors or more than 2 factors, the numbers which have more than 2 factors are called as composite number. For example, 4 has 3 factors, 1, 2 and 4. That's why 4 is a composite number. 6 is also a composite number. 9 is also a composite number. So you have to remember these things. Now I have discussed all these things. Now you have to solve exercise 2.1. It is your HW, and in the next video I will come again with explanations of the solutions given for the problems exercise 2.1. Till that I want to say goodbye. Thank you. See you.